Do you want to have an earning like this or make money more than this? Well, keep watching till the end of this video because I will show you how you can achieve it. Hey guys, welcome to another amazing video. For all those who are new to my channel, my name is Joyce Meettoo and I do videos on how you can make money online, also do reviews about the products that can help you make money online, as well as talk about affiliate and network marketing. So if you like such videos, do hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss these related videos. This will help a lot to provide more content and help you guys earn more money online. So in this video, I am going to show you 5 websites that can help anyone make money online for free. What I mean is websites where you are able to make money without having to spend money or to invest. These websites contain no hidden subscription fee or any other hidden fee or something like this. Okay. And watch this video till the end, guys, because I will show you where I am able to generate my online income. Now, a disclaimer here. These websites that I'm going to show you are not going to make you become a millionaire overnight or give you results that I just showed you. The people who are making huge amount of money from these websites started them as a passive income idea. Then with time and consistency, it became a full-time income source. Now, even though the websites that I'm going to show you are free to operate, but if you don't take action, you will never be able to even earn a dime online. So as long as you stay consistent and you're taking action, your earnings will be like a snowball and it will increase with time and work. Now let's jump inside my laptop and I'll share the websites with you. The first one is Amazon Merch, Merch by Amazon. So what they do is they sell your design as Amazon products. And how it does work, you simply have to upload your work. You choose a product type and color, and you add product descriptions, and they will create a product page on Amazon. And when customers buy your product, they will handle the production, the shipping, and the customer service with no upfront cost. So if you are going to upload your artwork, you're setting a price list, and they do the rest. And when many people keep buying from you, that is, they buy your design work, your artwork, your t-shirt, so it becomes a passive income. Now, let's have a look at what you might be earning when you set your price like this. So if the purchase price is being paid like $16, you will be earning about $2. But if it is set as $26, you will be earning approximately $10. So if there are hundreds of people buying from you, you will be getting a good handsome amount of money in your account, in your bank account. Now, what I want you to know is that Amazon by Merch, it is Merch by Amazon, pays you through Pioneer. So what is Pioneer? Pioneer is simply a financial service company that provides online money transfer, digital payment services, and provides customers with working capital. So you pay and get paid worldwide. All you have to do is to register yourself and connect your Pioneer account to your Merch by Amazon account. And you do that after you have already signed in and completed the requirements by filling your information and getting to work with your artwork and selling through Merch by Amazon. The second one is RedBubble. It is the same as Merch by Amazon, but the difference in this one is you're not limited with only t-shirts. You have clothing, you have stickers, t-shirts, posters, wall arts, book covers, shop accessories, and so on. You have many other products in which you can incorporate your design and start selling. But okay, how it works? It is simple. It is the same. So all you have to do is to create your design and upload them, and they handle the transaction, the printing, the delivery, and if any other issues, they handle that for you. Now, you have your base price, okay? The base price just covers the service and operational cost involved in making each product. You state your margin that you want to receive, and this is the retail price of your product. And when it is sold, you are receiving commissions such as up to 17%, 10 or 30%. Now, this all becomes passive income once again when you just design your t-shirt, your product, and you leave it on in their hands and they do the marketing for you. Now, you will ask me if you need to drive people to buy your products. But wait a second, you don't have to do this because RedBubble do that for you. They list your product in the suggested list, the suggested products of other products, and when people are looking at your products, they buy it. Now, you will tell me, okay, wait, I get it, how I can do it, how I can earn money, but I suck at graphic designing. But guess what, my friend? So do I. All I had to do is to access in the third site that I'm about to show you, and it's called Canva.com. It's a free website where you can create any design you want, any design you like. So let me show you. Let me create one for you right now. So all I have to do is to custom a design, and I'll be directed to a page like this one where Canva presents all the things, all the stuffs that you need. Sorry, my internet is a bit slow, so it's gonna take time. And here it is. I can choose any picture that I want. Let's say I want to do something funny. Let's say I want to do a text. So I'm given text, okay? So I'll choose this one, and I just ungroup them and delete the fonts that I don't like. And here it is. I can center it, so centered, and reposition it. What can I say? I can type keep calm, and engineer. Next, all you have to do is you can increase the size or increase it like this, or you can choose another font, another style, another wordings or funny wordings such as keep calm, getting married this year, or something like this, something funny. You publish it. All you have to do is click on publish, download, and either PNG format or GPG format, and you have it in your downloads. And all you need to do now is to upload your artwork inside and place it, and choose what products that you want. It can be a t-shirt, it can be a Canva, it can be whatever you like, a phone casing, for example. So the next one that I'm going to show you is the website most people are getting into is Udemy. Now, what is Udemy? Udemy is a website where It is a massively open online course website where anyone is free to create and promote courses in style of traditional post-secondary education. Users can also take courses to learn credits towards technical certification or just to pick up, improve various job-related skills. Now, if you have a look at courses, I did a search in architecture and look at those results. The courses are being sold at $120, $120, $45, $200, $50. Now, this is simple. If you're good at something, let's say you're good at Photoshop, all you have to do is you do a course, you record, and you upload that, you create your course, and when people are buying it, you are getting money. You are being paid. It is full. Now, of course, Udemy will take his share of money, but you are getting paid for uploading your courses. And another example is digital marketing course. Okay. It gives lectures. The lecture time is about 24 hours. Of course, it's not a single video, but many videos. And here is an example: market research, make a website, email marketing, copywriting, etc., etc. This is how you create a course and you make money through Udemy. Now, if you don't know where you can create your course, it is simple. Go to YouTube, type in the related things that you want to search, and it is simple. You just try not to copy them, but make it in your own style and apply. Now, the fifth website that I'm going to show you is simple. Many people know about it, and you are actually in it right now. It is called YouTube. Yes, guys, YouTube. Now, you're going to ask me, how is YouTube going to pay you for free? Well, guys, you don't have to pay to upload videos in YouTube. All you have to do is to upload your videos and get ranked in YouTube. My channel is new. I am new in Facebook. Sorry, I am new in YouTube, and I have only 60 subscribers for now. And like I said in the beginning, it starts with like a snowball. The snowball effect, guys. It starts small, and with consistency and work, it grows big. So let's have a look at why YouTube is okay to start and how it pays you. So it will pay you through ads that is going to show through your videos. And an example is a channel known as Favorite Videos. So what the channel does, guys, it uploads videos of a series, a soap opera known as Friends, and its monthly earning can be from $3,000 to nearly $60,000. And its estimated yearly earnings, guys, it can reach up to $685,000. So YouTube too is a way to make money. Now, if we combine everything together, guys, you create your channel, you start, let's say you start with RedBubble, you create your products, you talk about your products in your channel, in your videos, and under the description box, in the description box, you put your link that links anyone directly to your page that buys your products. So you'll be able to monetize your channel, make your YouTube channel grow, get your traffic from YouTube itself, and sell your products and start earning money. And now, guys, like I said from the beginning, I will show you the website that I am making money from and how I am able to earn this type of money. Well, this is my PayPal account. Here I am, guys. So I'm not showing you some bogus websites. PayPal. This is my PayPal. I'm showing you how I earn this type of money. And let me tell you frankly, I graduated as a mechanical engineer from the University of Mauritius. I worked for 3 years as an engineer. I've been working in a workshop. I've worked in fields where I've been doing structural work as an engineer, and I decided to leave my job and entered the online world, and I did not know a single thing about internet marketing. I was completely new. I did not understand what traffic or lead was. But I was introduced to this platform that I'm about to show you. The platform is a high education platform. It has taught me and many others how they can scale up their business and start an online business and start making earnings like this. So, like I said, I was an engineer. I've been working for 3 years, and I could not see myself achieve my dreams, make my dreams come true by working for other people. That's why I started my own online business and came across this amazing platform. And this platform, guys, is Legendary Marketer. Now, if you look at my #1 recommendation under this video, you will have access to a page where I will introduce myself again over there and lead you to this page where this man called David Sharp, the CEO of this company, talks to you and explains why online business is really interesting and important to have. When you get registered, when you buy the course, you will get 15-day course where you get a high-level education and you start to learn how you can scale up your own business. So guys, this will be the end of this video, and I hope you got value from what I just showed you. And do smash the thumbs up button, do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos that I'm going to post next, show next. And make sure you check out the #1 recommendation of Legendary Marketer that I just showed you. So see you on the next video. Bye bye, it's been fun.